If you are a smart business owner, then you're definitely using the power of social media platforms. Do you sometimes wonder how you could get even more out of social media? Well, that's exactly what WPSocialNinja is here for. WPSocialNinja is an all-in-one WordPress social media plugin to automatically showcase your social media reviews, social feeds, and integrate chat widgets on your WordPress website without any limitation. There are over 29 platforms for reviews, feeds, and chat widgets. We have made the WPSocialNinja user guide for your ease of use. It's a complete guideline on how all of the features of WPSocialNinja works. From the very basics to the advanced level, the user guide is designed so that you get to know all the features at the same place without any hassle. In WPSocialNinja user guide, you'll learn how to set up and style social feeds, reviews, and chat widgets for your website. It's a complete breakdown of all the features of WPSocialNinja in the span of around 35 videos. Most of its features are free along with this user guide. So if you are just starting a business and need a helping hand, WPSocialNinja is here to lend you one. By the end of this walkthrough, you're going to have a solid understanding of how to utilize the full potential of social media with the help of WPSocialNinja. The user guide is beginner-friendly, much like the plugin itself. So without further ado, let's start exploring all the possibilities that you can accomplish with WPSocialNinja. Revolutionize your website with the power of social media. And when it comes to social media integration, WPSocialNinja is surely one of the best plugins for your website. It can bring reviews, feeds, videos, or even create chat heads into your website so people can directly contact you without any hassle. We're going to show you how quickly you can install WPSocialNinja, and then we're going to explore the UI. Let's go! Head over to the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Type WPSocialNinja in the search bar here. Then install WPSocialNinja and activate it. That's it. You now have WPSocialNinja. Congratulations! Once installed, click WPSocialNinja and it will take you to the dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is you've got a lot of options. Platforms, reviews, testimonials, templates, notification pop-ups, chat widgets, and whatnot. From here, you can start working on any of these. Let's give you guys a mini rundown. Here you can set up social feeds, social reviews of many different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. Social chats lets you create chat widgets on your website. This allows you to set up chats in 15 different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, etc. In the Reviews tab, you can see all the reviews that you've set up. You can filter reviews based on platform by going here, or you can search a specific review here. If you receive a review in some other way, you can even add that to your website by clicking Add Custom Review. Adding testimonials is almost like adding a custom review. The only difference is this is coming from someone reputed or someone with a public image. You can add as many testimonials as you want. You can also edit any testimonials whenever you want once it has been created. This section allows you to add new templates for feeds or reviews. You can also edit, delete, or duplicate the existing ones here. Just like the Review tab, you can filter templates by platform or search specific templates. Want to attract your website visitors by showcasing the reviews your products and services are getting? With WPSocialNinja, you can show reviews in real time using notification pop-ups. To do that, click here to create notification pop-ups. Once you have any pop-ups set up, you can edit, duplicate, or delete it whenever you want. Chat widgets allow you to add a chat option to your page, which will allow your website visitors to contact you with any kind of query. If that's something you want for your visitors, click here to add chat widgets. You get to choose from 15 different channels. Not to mention, there are so many customization options. In this tab, you'll be able to configure your reviews or feed settings for all the platforms that have been set up, like AutoSync or Clear Cache. You will also find translation settings here. You can use this to easily translate anything without any other plugins or integrations. there's an option for license settings here. This comes handy when you want to upgrade your license. In the support section, you will find documentation and a user guide, also the terms and conditions. And if you still need expert support, you can get it by clicking Contact Support. Click here to write a review of our product or let us know if you find any bugs. That's basically all you need to know about WPSocialNinja. If you're watching this video, then you may have made up your mind about buying WPSocialNinja Pro. Good choice! Let's walk you through the process on how you can buy and activate the features of WPSocialNinja Pro. To buy WPSocialNinja Pro, head over to WPSocialNinja.com. Click Buy Now, then select the plan that suits you the best. Choose the package and follow the transaction procedure. Voila! You now have WPSocialNinja Pro. When you have upgraded to the Pro version of WPSocialNinja, it's time to activate your license and unlock the Pro features. You can find your license key in your account dashboard. Click on it to copy the key. After that, download the zip file of WPSocialNinja Pro. You will need to do one other thing before you can experience the full features of Pro. Go to Plugins from your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the Add New section, click on Upload Plugin. Simply drag and drop the zip file you downloaded before. Once uploaded, hit the Install Now button. Now let's head over to the license settings in Settings tab. Paste your key here. That's it! You are now ready to enjoy the Pro features of WPSocialNinja. You're about to enjoy a lot of platforms and customization options. Twitter is a great place to build a brand. If you're one of those marketers who are making full use of Twitter, WPSocialNinja can help you fetch all those tweets to your WordPress website. And we are here to walk you through it. You can configure your Twitter account with WPSocialNinja in two ways: default and manual. The default configuration is easy peasy. Just make sure your Twitter account is logged in the same browser you're using to work with WPSocialNinja. Then just click the Login to Twitter and Get My Access and Secret Key button. This will take you to a menu and you'll be asked to authorize the app. Click the Authorize App button and your Twitter account is configured with WPSocialNinja. Now, if you want to add your Twitter account manually, tick on the Manually Enter Your Twitter app information. If you're wondering how to get the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret, well, you have to first create a Twitter app. To do that, go to your Twitter Developer Portal dashboard. Then select Create Project. There are a couple of things you need to specify to create your developer app. Let's fill up this form and hit Next. And here it is. Copy the consumer API key and secret key and then paste it to WPSocialNinja configuration page. To get the access token and token secret, go back to Developer Dashboard and click the Project Settings, then move on to the Keys and Tokens tab. Here, you have to generate the access token and secret. Click Generate and a tab will open up with access tokens as well as API keys. Copy the access token and access secret, then paste it in WPSocialNinja configuration page. Then just save the settings and your Twitter account is successfully configured. By the way, if you still need help with the manual configuration process, we have linked a documentation that you can follow. Now that your Twitter account is connected to WPSocialNinja, it's time to create your first template. Click Add New Template and it'll redirect you to the Twitter feed layout editor. It's time for you to have fun tweaking all these options. WPSocialNinja makes it super easy to fetch your Twitter feed to your WordPress website, but there's more. We've already made a video showing how to configure Twitter feed to WPSocialNinja. Do check that out if you haven't already. And in this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about feed settings. Sit tight. On your right, there are two tabs, General and Style. You'll find the feed settings under the General options. Under Source, you can select feed type. You've probably already guessed, selecting User Timeline will let you display all the tweets from your profile, while choosing Home Timeline will fetch the tweets that are displaying in your profile's home timeline. If you want to keep showing tweets containing a specific hashtag, choose hashtag and enter the hashtag you want to highlight in your feed. You can even display the feeds by mentions. For now, let's stick to the user timeline. Edit the total feed to show as many tweets you want to display. Then click Fetch Tweets to get the recent tweets. WPSocialNinja comes with 3 layout types to choose from. The standard look closely resembles the actual Twitter feed. If you want the tweets to fill your feed in columns, go for Masonry. The tweets will appear more compact and organized. You can edit the number of columns and the gap between columns. Masonry currently has 1 layout type, more are coming soon. If you're not into that compact look, go for Carousel instead. Many of our users tend to find it more visually appealing. Select Carousel and you'll find a whole set of options to customize right under the header option. Turn on autoplay and tweak these options for your tweets to scroll by your feed. If you choose Masonry as your feed's template, you'll find the pagination settings right after the follow button. Your website visitors can either keep scrolling to load more or click on a Load More button to view more tweets. Of course, you can change the text of this button as well. What tweets do you want to showcase? Got some tweets you'd rather hide? WPSocialNinja lets you pick your favorites. You can go here to show how many tweets you display in either desktop or mobile devices. You have the option to show them in a certain order, show and hide tweets containing specific words and hashtags. Now you can even copy the ID of a particularly bothersome post and paste it here to hide. It may seem like lots and lots of tweaking options in the feed settings, but don't get overwhelmed. Here you can change every aspect of your feed's appearance. Hide information and options you don't want out there. Select where you want your tweets to open. Toggle this if you choose to display images in a pop-up window, and toggle this if you want all your tweets to appear at the same height. See this part? This is the header. All this information you see here, you can hide or display banner, name, follower count, and every individual element as per your preference. If you want, you can have a completely customized follow button planted in your feed. Show it either in header or footer or both. So we're guessing your Twitter feed is configured and set up using WPSocialNinja. If you haven't and need help with that, we already have a video on it. This video is all about making your Twitter feed super stylish. What's in the style section? Let's find out. With WPSocialNinja, you have full control. From the style options, you can completely customize your feed's appearance. To start, enable the option, and now you can personalize the elements of header, name, meta, content, and action. Click on header to edit the header elements. From the drop-down, you can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your Twitter feeds. You can pick absolutely any color for your text, which is a fantastic way of turning every item into a branding element. Once you're happy with the colors, click on typography. Change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from this menu. You can even customize the buttons and boxes. Change the look of author name, meta, content, hashtag, color, and whatnot. You can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your Twitter feeds. You can even customize the boxes. Change the border type, padding, and text color for a fully personalized button. You'll find the options to switch devices here, so check out and fix how feeds are gonna look on different devices. Play around and let us know how you like the new style features of WPSocialNinja. YouTube is one of the largest search engines out there. And you can use this to retain your website's visitors. Let's use WPSocialNinja to fetch all your awesome YouTube videos to your WordPress website. The first step, configure your YouTube account to WPSocialNinja. It's very easy and convenient. Let us show you how. We begin at the WPSocialNinja dashboard. In Social Feeds, you will have to select YouTube. Next, select the credential type API key, which is recommended. You'll be asked to use your API key here. To get the key, you have to go to Google's Developers Console. Once you're there, log in using your Google credentials. To acquire the API key from the Google APIs, you need to either create or select a project. So click on that, give your project a name, and click on Create. You'll immediately get a notification that your project has been created. Now that you've got that done, it's time to enable the APIs and keys. You will have to go to the API library and search for the YouTube Data API. Yeah, let's select that. It comes back with one result. Click on it, enable it, and after that, we're gonna head over to the credentials. There we can see the Create Credentials option. Once we click on it, there will be several options. We are gonna select API key. Once created, it will show us the API key. We're gonna copy this key and take it to the WPSocialNinja dashboard, where we're gonna configure our YouTube account. Paste it and you're done. You'll get a success notification and you can go on and create a new template. That's it for this video. You've got your API key and your YouTube account is configured to WPSocialNinja. We have already made a video on how you can create and set up the API key of your YouTube account on your website. Let's move on to customizing your YouTube feed. On your right, you'll find two tabs, General and Style. This video is about the general options. First thing first, let's choose what you want to show in your feed. From source, you can select from 5 different options. You can fetch all the videos from your channel or a specific playlist. You can enter a search term and WPSocialNinja will fetch videos related to that keyword. If you are specific about the videos you want to show, copy their link and paste them here. Or you can choose to display the live streams only. Adjust total feed and you're done here. WPSocialNinja comes with 2 different layout types, grid and carousel. Each layout got 3 templates you can choose from. The layouts look very different. If you pick carousel, you'll find a whole set of options to customize right under the header option. Turn on autoplay and decide how fast or slow you want your videos to scroll by in your feed. If you want your videos to appear in a grid, you can set the number of columns here. You'll find a pagination option here when you choose grid. You can either keep your viewers scrolling or leave a button to load more. Choose what you want to show and what you want to hide from the filter option. You get to choose the order. Got any specific video you don't want in your feed? Copy the link and paste it here and it won't show in your YouTube feed. Or ban a certain hashtag by entering it here. Only view data that are important. Tackle your wordy titles by trimming them. If you don't want this play icon to show, toggle. If you want a cleaner look and remove the view, like, comments counter, just toggle. We like leaving the description because it gives viewers some idea about the videos, but you can hide them too. You can do away with the header altogether, but we like the look of it, so we'll keep it and edit the elements that we want to show. Of course, you can show all this information or display just the ones you think are necessary. Last but not the least, you get your own customizable subscribe button. Put it on the header or footer or in both places. This is the last part of our YouTube feed series. If you haven't seen the first 2 parts, we'll leave the links in the description below. Now for the style part. WPSocialNinja lets you customize everything. You can customize almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. You will find all the options once you toggle this to enable. And now you can edit how the elements of header, title, statistics, description, and item box are gonna look. We start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color and typography of all these elements. You can literally pick any color for your text, so definitely we're going for our brand's accent colors here. Now we want to change their typography, change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else until it looks just right. Well, we don't want to stop there. Next, we will change how the buttons and boxes are gonna look. We will change the border type, shift the padding, and change text color. Perfect. Let's move on to the title and do the same. You can also change the text color and typography of the statistics and description option. Last but not the least, the item box. Change the background color, typography, padding and border type for a brand new look. There, perfect. If you're wondering what these icons do, they'll let you switch within different devices so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. Now let's save your settings and check out your website. And you should have something like this. If you still need help with something, simply comment down below. We like to help. Over a quarter of total internet users are active on Instagram. If you're a smart marketer, you're definitely creating content catered to this booming audience. Let's enrich your WordPress website with your amazing Instagram posts. It's super easy with WPSocialNinja. First thing first, let's connect WPSocialNinja to your Instagram account. We start at the WPSocialNinja dashboard. From feeds, of course, select Instagram. If you're connecting a personal account, you continue with your Instagram account, click allow, and you can now use WPSocialNinja with your account. Things are not much different if you're connecting a business account. Simply instead of Instagram, you log into the Facebook account that's being used to handle your business account. Now click on the Continue with Facebook button. Then continue as your account. Yeah, we're almost there. Next, select the business accounts and business pages you want to connect with WPSocialNinja. Select and click Next, and again click Next. The app is going to ask for some access permissions. These are important for WPSocialNinja to function, so yes to all three. And you're done! Your account is successfully linked to WPSocialNinja now. Now in this stage, select all accounts or the specific ones and click on Connect Accounts button. Connect the account you want to work with. As you can see, you can always add more accounts. Wanna connect an already authorized business account? Great! Just click on View Accounts and connect your account without going through the authorization process again. And you've successfully connected your Instagram business account to WPSocialNinja. There are two ways you can get the token. Let's go for the easier way first. Once you go to configure your account, you will see the option to get access token through WPSocialNinja. Click on it and you'll be taken to this window. You'll get the options to generate a token for both personal and business accounts. The second way of getting the Instagram access token is from your Facebook's developer account. It requires quite a few steps, but don't worry, we'll walk you through it. We start at My Apps and click Create App. Ooh, a pop-up. Okay, we'll go for something else and continue. Fill up this form to create the app, give it a display name and create app. Now we're gonna go to the settings and choose Basic. Scroll down and you'll find the Add Platform button. Here we will select Website and enter a website URL. Now save changes. Next, on your left, find Products. From Products, click on the Instagram Basic Display Setup button. Scroll down and click on Create New App. Next comes the option to enter the display name. In our case, it's already here because we've already provided it once. Done? Click on Create App. Now simply enter your URL in the input fields and save changes. Quickly moving on to the next step, and here we choose Add or Remove Instagram Testers. Hit on Add Instagram Testers. You should see a pop-up like this. Insert your username and submit. Okay, for the next few steps, you have to go to your Instagram account. From Settings, go to the Apps and Website section. Check out your Tester Invites section and you should find a pending request. Accept and continue. It's finally time to grab that Instagram access token, so go back to the developer's Facebook. From Dashboard, select Products and then Instagram Basic Display. And scroll down. You should see the button to generate token. It'll ask you to enter your Instagram credentials. Once you enter and click Continue, you'll have to authorize the plugin. And now you have your token. Take the I understand box and click on the Copy button. Hit Done because, well, you're done here. Take the Instagram access token and paste it here, and click on the Connect this account button to configure Instagram. Remember, you can connect with multiple Instagram accounts by clicking Add More Account. And your Instagram account is connected. To go to the next step, click on the Add New Template button. If you want to run a business through Instagram, you will need a business account for that. In this video, we'll tell you how easily you can turn your existing Instagram account into a business one in a few simple steps. To begin with, head over to your Instagram account and make it public if it's not. You can do that by going to Settings, then Privacy. Then toggle the private option to make it public. Once that's done, go to Settings again and go to Account Options this time. Look for Switch to Professional Account in the Account Options. Click on it, then Continue. Select the best way to describe your business or purpose of the business account. If you can't find anything suitable from the suggested categories, search for it. Choose the one that you are looking for and hit Done. Onto the next screen, you'll be offered two options: Creator and Business. As we're gonna use it for business, we'll select Business and hit Next. In this step, you can either add your contact info if you want or tap Don't use my contact info if you wanna skip this step. Voila! You have successfully converted your Instagram personal account into a business one. We have already made a video on how to configure your Instagram account with WPSocialNinja. And in this video, we're gonna show you everything about feed settings. Sit tight. As soon as you hit Create a New Template, you'll be taken to this window. Here you'll find two tabs at the right of the screen, General and Style. We'll take you through the General option. First thing first, let's fetch your Instagram posts. It's super easy to show your posts. Simply click here. If you want to show posts containing a certain hashtag, enter the hashtag and WPSocialNinja will fetch them for you. Just a reminder, you do need an Instagram business account for that. You have 3 different layouts to choose from. You can show them in a grid, or if you want them to play out like a slideshow, pick carousel. If you pick grid or masonry, you can choose the number of columns and the gap between them. Masonry and grid also come with the pagination option. You can either keep your viewers scrolling or leave a button to load more. Pick carousel and you'll find an option to further alter the layout above the header option. Click on it and you can choose whether or not the images will be on autoplay and every detail of the autoplay. How many posts do you want to show? What order do you want them in? Show and hide your Instagram posts whichever way suits you from the filter option. You can hide posts containing certain hashtags or a specific Instagram post by copy-pasting the link. Here's more options regarding the appearance of your posts. For example, go here to select where your posts will open. We like them opening in a pop-up box. Also toggle these to decide if you want to show captions, likes, and comments of individual posts. If you also like pop-ups like us, you're gonna find another option here that lets you tweak every single element that's gonna appear on your pop-up box. Design it how you find it beautiful. All your Instagram profile information is usually available on the header, but not all data is worth displaying. So if there are some things you're not happy with yet, toggle the button here and hide. Last but not the least, you get your own customizable follow button. Put it on header or footer or in both places. Alright, your Instagram account is configured and feed settings are done. If you need help with that, make sure to check out our videos on that. In this video, you'll be able to learn how to make your Instagram feed super stylish. WPSocialNinja loves giving you full control. You can customize almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. So, to further customize your feed, you first have to enable the option. As soon as you do that, you'll see the option to personalize the element. Click on header to get the edit options. From the drop-down, you can change the text color and typography of all these elements. This is great if you want your feed to look more in tune with your brand. So definitely we'll suggest you to use your brand's accent colors here. We've got the color down. To change everything else, click on typography. Change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else to give it the appearance you want. You can customize the buttons and boxes as well. Pick border type, shift the padding, change text color, make them look quirky or clean. It's all up to you. Let's move on to the title and do the same. You can also change the text color and typography of the statistics and description option. Last but not the least, the item box. Change the background color, typography, padding and border type for a brand new look. Don't forget to check out and fix how feeds are gonna look on different devices. Click on these icons to shift from one device to another. Save your settings. Let's check out how it looks on the front end. Nice! Wouldn't you say this is exactly what your website needed? Now go ahead and enjoy your growing website visitors. Unless you've been living under a rock, your business has a Facebook presence. And there's no better time than now to bring your Facebook content to your WordPress website using WPSocialNinja. And we're here to make that process easy as pie for you. Let's start by connecting your Facebook account to WPSocialNinja. It's quite easy actually. Just select Facebook from feed. It'll ask you to log into your Facebook account. Since we're already logged into ours, we will hit continue with our account. Next up, you're gonna have to select the business pages you want to fetch your feeds from. Just so you know, WPSocialNinja doesn't work for any personal account. This is a crucial part as you have to have a Facebook page to make it work. So we will tick one, but you have the options to choose more if you want. Next, it's going to ask for some permissions. These are by default toggled to yes, so we just continue. Your account is now connected. Just select the page again and you'll see a success notification on your right. That's it. Your Facebook feed has been connected to your website successfully. Now it's time to add a new template. If you've watched our previous video, you already know how important it is to bring your Facebook content to your website and how to connect your account to WPSocialNinja. In this video, we will tell you all about feed settings. First thing first, we have two different customization options, General and Style. We're gonna show you every option under the General tab. So from here, you're gonna choose the feed type. For your Facebook feed, you can choose from Timeline feed, videos, and photos. Select what you want to show from your Facebook page. Also choose which Facebook pages you want to show content from. Next is layout styles. Show your Facebook feed like a timeline in a grid, masonry, or carousel. If you choose grid or masonry, you will see a pagination option is added in here, where you can choose whether you want an endless scroll or a button to load more. Should you go for carousel, a carousel option will be available here. Click on it to reveal the autoplay options. You'll be offered all sorts of options like autoplay speed, slides to show, or slides to scroll. Decide what type of navigation you want in your carousel. You can set number of feeds to display for both desktop and mobile view. You can even select in which order the feeds should be displayed. You can show or hide posts based on certain words or hashtags, or you can individually select a post and hide it specifically. If you don't want to show a shared post in your feeds, you can simply tick the boxes that says Hide Shared Posts. You get separate options for your feeds. You can customize it however you like from here. Choose the data you want to show about your posts, the rest can be toggled away. Select the information you want to display on your header here. We recommend you highlight all the data that you're most proud of in this section. You get your own fully customizable like button and share button. Change how they look and place them on header or footer or both. Oh, did we forget to tell you that all of these are responsive on all devices? You can even check what these will look like on different devices from the top, by changing from desktop to mobile or tablet. We've already shown everything there is to know about general settings. Let's further customize your Facebook feed's appearance from the Style option. To do that, you first have to enable the option. As soon as you do that, you'll see the option to personalize the elements of header, content, like and share button, pagination, and item box. Click on header to get the edit options. From here, you can change the text color and typography of every single one of these elements. If you want to leave a lasting brand impression, this is a great way to do that. So when choosing the text colors, we'll use the accent colors of our brand. We can now move on to typography. Change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from here. There's even an option to edit the bottom spacing. This can be set differently for different platforms like tablet or mobile. There's another option to play with, box. The background color is universal. If you change it, it'll change for all the platforms. But padding and border can be set individually for different devices. In the content section, you can change the color and typography of almost everything. Again, you can set this across different devices, whether your users are viewing from laptop or desktop or mobile. You can even customize the buttons and boxes. Pick border type, shift the padding, change text color and background color. Keep tweaking until you feel the whole appearance is seamless. You also have the option to change the appearance of the item box from here. Also check out and fix how the feed is gonna look on different devices. Click on these icons to shift from one device to another and edit accordingly. Save your settings and you're done. Your amazing Facebook content is now gracing your WordPress website. What if you can showcase all your reviews from Google My Business to your website directly? WPSocialNinja lets you do that and more. Let's get on with it. To start, head over to the WPSocialNinja dashboard, click Google My Business. You will need an access code for that, so click on Sign in and get access code. Choose your business account, grant access to WPSocialNinja. Once you're signed in, it'll provide you with an access code. Copy it, then head back to Google My Business in WPSocialNinja dashboard. Paste the access code and you're done. Your Google My Business is now connected to your website. But to show reviews, you have to work a bit though. Not gonna waste any precious time, let's show you what you have to do to fetch all those wonderful reviews to your website. Let's move on to customizing your Google My Business reviews. On your right, you'll find two tabs, General and Style. Let's start with the General options. You don't have to do anything here. The platform in the source gets set up by default when you create a template with Google My Business. WPSocialNinja comes with different layout types, grid, slider, masonry, badge, you can choose any. Each layout got 9 different templates you can choose from. You can even try out different badges if you want to go with the badge layouts. You even get a whole new option to tweak with if you choose the badge template. You'll find a pagination option here when you choose any template except for slider. You can either keep your viewers scrolling or leave a button to load more. You can even set the number of reviews to show on each page here for different platforms. If you pick slider, you get a unique option for styling it. Choose which reviews you want to show and what you want to hide from the filter option. You can also choose how many reviews will be shown per pages for different platforms from here. The filter option may also be used to filter by business or product, or filter by category. You get to choose the order or filter by minimum rating. Say you want to show only those reviews that are 4 stars or above. Use this option here. Got any specific reviews you don't want in your feed? Just type in the words and the review won't be shown in your feed if it contains that certain word. You can also show specific reviews in the same way. This settings offers you a lot of options that you can play with. Display, content type, trimming, you name it, and it'll be here. Play with these options at your convenience until you get what you want. You can do away with the header altogether, but we like the look of it, so we'll keep it and edit the elements that we want to show. Of course, you can show all this information or display just the ones you think are necessary. Now, the styling part. WPSocialNinja lets you customize everything. You can customize almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. You will find all these options once you toggle this to enable. And now you can edit how the elements of header, reviewer name, author position, badge, notification, review box, that is everything, are gonna look. We start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing of all these elements. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. You can literally pick any color for your text, so we definitely are going for our brand's accent colors here. Now we're gonna change their typography, then spacing. If you're wondering what these icons do, they'll let you switch within different devices, so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. Now let's save your settings and check out your website. Everything's looking good in here. Nowadays, users rarely go for a product or service without checking its reviews. You probably already know that WPSocialNinja can fetch and display reviews from all the social sites. But that's not all. You can even fetch and showcase Airbnb reviews on your website. And we'll show you how to do that in this video. Let's begin. WP Social Ninja has made showing reviews on your website easier than ever. To start, click on Airbnb from the WP Social Ninja dashboard. Then choose Business Type. Don't mix up the business types, by the way. Select Rooms if that's what you offer, and select Experiences when you want to showcase the user's experience with your certain service. Next, put the Airbnb business name in order to get the reviews. After entering your Airbnb business name, click the Save button. If your inputs are accurate, you will see a green signal. Downloading reviews might take some time, depending on the amount of reviews you have. You can even include additional business accounts when you click the Add More Business button. To add more, simply repeat the previous steps. Then click Create a Template. Let's customize the feed now. You'll find two tabs on the right named General and Style. Let's start with the General. To change your template layout, click the Source button and a drop-down menu will appear. Since Airbnb was chosen as the source, all the Airbnb reviews have appeared automatically. Now check out how simple it is to modify your template layouts. Change your layout type from the drop-down option. Grid, slider, masonry, and badge. These layouts have specific designs to arrange your contents elegantly. For example, if you want the reviews to appear in columns for a more streamlined and structured appearance, go for masonry. You can edit the number of columns. You'll find the pagination settings right after the header option. To read more, website users can either scroll down or click the Load More button. And obviously, the button's text is editable. Well, you can play around with the layout choices until you find the one you like. Under Filter, the number of reviews will appear. Did you know you can select up to 100 reviews? If you want to add only a specific number of stars, you have that option. No minimum rating to 5-star. You will have 6 options to display your reviews. Not only that, you can choose the reviews to be displayed according to different orders. Have any reviews you'd rather keep private, or you want to show only the 5-star reviews? Well, WPSocialNinja lets you pick your favorites. Click Include and a drop-down menu will appear. You can add the hand-picked reviews by the reviewer names. Select Exclude for specific reviews by following the same way you have included. And if you choose All, you allow all the recommendations to be displayed on your site. Don't be intimidated seeing the long list of tweaking options under Settings. You can customize every detail of how your feed looks from here. A reviewer's privacy is always important, right? You can customize the display reviewer name, image, and even the platform icon. Choose what you want to do with these and then move on to the next option. Toggle equal height if you want all your reviews to appear at the same height. Header is the next element. You see all this stuff right here? Depending on your taste, you may conceal or reveal the banner, name, number of followers, and each individual element. Toggle each option to know how you like your header. Wouldn't it be amazing if people could see these reviews even before entering your website? Well, you can enable the Schema Snippet button to be visible on the Google search page. And WPSocialNinja has this option for you. After enabling Schema Snippet, add a valid business logo, provide your legitimate business name. Next, you need to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list. This part is kinda crucial. Keep in mind that the type must be inserted precisely as it appears on the list. Put your business phone number, then add your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. Though WPSocialNinja will automatically gather the rating if you don't include it. Let's move on to how you can style your feed template in a matter of seconds. There's no limit to styling your feed with the style options. Enable the option to give every element a touch of personalization. Click on Header to edit the header elements. From the drop-down, you can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your feeds. You can pick absolutely any color for your text to adjust according to your website's color palettes. You can even customize the buttons and boxes. Once you're happy with the colors, click Typography. Change size, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from this menu. Change the border type, padding, and text color for a fully personalized button. If the format of the reviews look weird on someone's screen, they won't even bother reading it. To ensure a great user experience on different devices, switch devices from the top. Fix if anything looks odd. You'll also get to change the look of reviewer name, title, content color, etc. Let's just say you can change everything with WPSocialNinja except for the reviews.
Yelp is a platform where people can post reviews about a business. These reviews can make or break your future deals. Assure your customers by adding Yelp reviews into your website. Let's show you how you can do that. To set up Yelp, head over to your WPSocialNinja dashboard. Select Yelp here. You will need the API key and your place ID. Just paste them here. If you don't have your API key, click here. It will take you to the Yelp website. Log into your account. In the next page, fill in the required info. Provide an app name, select the industry, provide contact email, and add a suitable description that suits your business well. Hit Create New App. That will create your app. And once that's done, you will find your API key here. Just copy it and paste it here. Place the place ID. If you don't have it, just click here and follow the link. It will lead you to yelp.com. Search for your restaurant or business. Copy the URL after slash, paste it here and hit save. That's it, your business is now connected to your website. You can add multiple businesses by following the same steps. However, this process will only fetch a few reviews you got on Yelp. If you want to showcase all the reviews of your business, you'll have to apply for Yelp Fusion Enterprise. And when they approve, you'll be able to display all your reviews. Once your Yelp has been configured, let's move on to the template part. Hit Create a Template. This will take you to the page where you can customize and create your desired template. You'll have two sections to work with, General and Style. Wanna see what the General section has in store for you? Let's go. The first thing you will be shown in General is Source. As we are creating this template from Yelp, the Yelp source is selected by default. Now, click on the template to choose from 9 different template styles. You can even change the layout type, select how many columns or previews you want to display. There's another option here. See the small desktop icon? You can change it to set up different settings for different devices such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. You can make it totally responsive. You can utilize the pagination to customize the layout even more. If you choose to select badge or slider, you will be offered additional options for your template. Here you can customize how your reviews will look if you choose to go with the badge or slider. Filters let you do exactly what it sounds. You can even choose how many numbers of reviews you want to show on your website. You can even have the options to hide low rating reviews if you want. Want to hide reviews of a scammer or highlight the reviews of a happy customer? Do that with the filter by include or exclude option. Say you have multiple products, you can filter your reviews based on a single product or multiple products. Just select the product or products and WPSocialNinja will do the rest. Let's move on to settings now. Here you can decide whether you want to show ratings and in which rating style. See this list here? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim reviews after certain words, and edit content type. The header options let you play with the header and customize it however you like. You can either display the header or choose to hide it if you want. There are many options that you can customize here. Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo and your legitimate business name. Next up, you have to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list and also your phone number. Last up, add your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. Though, WPSocialNinja will automatically gather the rating if you don't include it. Once the general section has been done, let's move on to the style section. WPSocialNinja lets you customize everything. From the style option, you'll find all the options once you toggle this to enable. And now you can edit how the elements of all these options are gonna look. We start at the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color. You can literally pick any color for your text, so we definitely are going for our brand's accent colors here. Typography lets you customize the way each text will be shown to your viewers. It lets you change the style, weight, etc. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. All the elements are almost the same for every option except for the last few. If you are wondering what these icons do, they let you switch within different devices so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. Voila! Yelp review template has been created successfully. Now you can show all the awesome reviews that you receive on Yelp directly on your website. We all know that showing reviews from various social sites makes your business look more credible. But guess, reviews from which source works best? The reviews from Amazon. And yes, it's possible to show Amazon reviews with WPSocialNinja. In fact, you can even customize all the styling features of your reviews. Let's show you how. Click on Amazon from the WPSocialNinja dashboard. Provide the Amazon reviews URL. Take advantage of the Add More Business button if you have multiple Amazon seller accounts. Let's wait till we get the success message, then proceed to the next section. On your right, you will get two options named General and Style. Let's start with the first. Since we have chosen the source already, it's set to Amazon. But if you didn't, you can choose the source from here. WPSocialNinja won't just fetch reviews for you. It also helps you showcase those in the best possible ways using the templates. You can choose from multiple templates, and all of them are customizable, which we will show in a bit once we get into the styling. You probably have tons of good reviews and some bad ones. And you sure don't want your prospects to see the bad ones. Well, WPSocialNinja lets you choose the reviews by ratings, include or exclude something, show or hide reviews containing some exact words, according to products, according to category. Last but not the least, you can hide reviews that are just ratings. Rather than being complex, settings are, to be honest, the easiest part of this video. Almost all the toggle buttons are self-explanatory. You can choose the rating style, content type, and trim excerpt words. Play around with these until your reviews look good enough even to convince you to buy your own product. Toggle equal height if you want all your reviews to appear at the same height, and so on. Header is the next element. You see all this stuff right here? Depending on your taste, you may conceal or reveal each individual element. Toggle each option to know how you like your header. You can utilize the pagination to customize the layout even more. Click on Styles and toggle the Enable button to get started with styling. As promised, we will show you all the customizing options starting with headers. From the drop-down, you can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your feeds. Pick color that speaks on behalf of your brand. We bet you will get the color in the color sections. Once you're happy with the colors, click Typography. Change the size, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from this menu. You can even customize the buttons and boxes. Change the border type, padding, and text color for a fully personalized button. You will also get to change the look of the reviewer name, title, content color, etc. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. To ensure a great user experience on different devices, switch devices from the top. Fix if anything looks odd. Adjust the position of the reviews according to your devices if needed. Even if WPSocialNinja can show your reviews in the best possible ways, it can't change those. So focus more on getting good reviews and leave everything else to WPSocialNinja. AliExpress, the best online shop in the world. Anyone can buy or sell products here. And if you're a seller with your own website, then you're in luck. You can fetch all the reviews that you got in your AliExpress account directly to your website. Let's show you how you can do that. First of all, head over to WPSocialNinja dashboard. Click AliExpress here, drop the link to one of your products here and click Save. Once successfully done, it will show you a pop-up notification. When configuration is done, let's move on to the next part, creating a perfect template. Just click Create a template here. It will take you to the template tab, where you will have tons of options to play with. All the options are divided in two sections, General and Style. These two options will let you decide how your reviews will show up on your website. First, let's see what you can do with the General section. The first thing you will be shown in General is Source. We already have AliExpress chosen. You can add more if you want. Now, click on the template to choose from 9 different template styles. You can even change the layout type. Select how many columns of reviews you want to display. There is another option here. See the small desktop icon? You can change it to set up different settings for different devices such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. You can make it totally responsive. You can utilize the pagination to customize the layout even more. If you choose to select badge or slider, you will be offered additional options for your template. Here, you can customize how your reviews will look, if you choose to go with a badge or slider. Filters let you do exactly as it sounds. You can show or hide reviews based on certain words. You can even choose how many numbers of reviews you want to show on your website. It's also customizable for different devices. Want to hide reviews of a scammer or highlight the reviews of a happy customer? Do that with the Filter by Include or Exclude option. Say you have multiple products, you can filter your reviews based on a single product or multiple products. Just select the product or products and WPSocialNinja will do the rest. Let's move on to settings now. Here you can decide whether you want to show ratings and in which rating style. See this list here? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim reviews after certain words, and edit content type. The header options let you play with the header and customize it however you like. You can either display the header or choose to hide it if you want. There are so many options that you can customize here. Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo and your legitimate business name. Next up, you have to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list, and also your phone number. Remember that this business type is crucial and the type must be inserted precisely as it has been shown on the list. Are you wondering what is this snippet and why should I use it? Well, the snippet thing is a powerful SEO tool to begin with, and it's free. It can help your website rank higher almost like a meta. So, why not utilize it to get the best outcome? Last up, add your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. Though, WPSocialNinja will automatically gather the ratings if you don't include it. Once the general section has been done, let's move on to the style section. WPSocialNinja lets you customize everything. You can redesign almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. You will find all the options once you toggle this to enable. And now, you can edit how the elements of all these options are gonna look. We start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing top of all these elements. Typography lets you customize the way each text will be shown to your viewers. It lets you change the style, weight, etc. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. All the elements are almost the same for every option except for the last few. The badges and notifications elements let you manipulate them however you like. On the other hand, you will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. Voila! Your AliExpress review page is done. Now you can show all the awesome reviews that you receive on your AliExpress product directly on your website. No hassle needed, easy, clean, and non-techy. Have wonderful reviews on Booking.com and want to show them on your website? WPSocialNinja is gonna help you do that in a few simple steps. Let's hop on. Once on the WPSocialNinja dashboard, click Booking.com to start with the configuration process. On the pop-up menu, paste your product page or business page link and hit save. That's it. It's as simple as that to configure your Booking.com reviews to show up on your website. Once configuration is done, hit create a template to create a new template. It will take you to the window where you will be offered all the customization options out there. As you are creating a template for Booking.com, the source is automatically selected. The template options let you choose from 9 different designs, or change the entire layout type, changing the number of columns to show on different devices such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. If you choose to go with either slider or badge option, they will offer you an additional option to tweak with. And except for slider, you can utilize the pagination to customize the template even more. Wanna hide or show reviews based on certain keywords? Or maybe you don't wanna show a rating that is below a certain level? The filter option lets you do just that and more. You can choose how many reviews should be shown on each page. And you can even differentiate this number between various devices such as mobile or desktop. If you have multiple hotels, you have the options to choose any, multiple, or all of them all together. Let's move on to settings now. Here, you can decide whether you want to show ratings and in which rating style. See this list here? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim reviews after certain words, and edit content type. Header option is next in line. This option allows you to customize the header of your website reviews page. You can tweak all the elements there are in the header. You even have the liberty to write a custom number of reviews and change the button text here. Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo and your legitimate business name. Next up, you have to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list and also your phone number. Now it's time for the style options. Our plugin is packed with tons of features that you can use to tweak your website and give it an entirely new look. It provides you the power of changing all the aspects of your website. We had the option to keep or skip the content of header in the general section. But in style, you have the power to change the entire look of the header, whether it's typography, text color, or even the background. The typography lets you customize the way each text will be shown to your viewers. It lets you change the style, weight, etc. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. These are also designed in a way where you can customize them according to different devices. Content of the elements are almost the same for all. The badges and pagination elements are the only different ones here. And there you go. Your website is now fully configured and ready to show your reviews directly. You don't need to be a geek anymore to be able to do this kind of work. In this era of social media, we all know how powerful and versatile Facebook is. And as a business owner, you might already know what we are talking about. If you have a dedicated Facebook page and a website for your business, you might want to step up the game. What if we tell you that you can combine these two to take your business to the next level? Let's show you how. So, to kick it off, head over to WPSocialNinja dashboard. Select Facebook from social reviews. Next up, you're gonna have to click Continue with Facebook. Accept the linking process if you are already logged in and edit the settings as you like. If not, you'll have to log in into your account first. Once done, you'll see all the pages connected to your Facebook account. Select the one that you want to fetch reviews from and hit save. Once all set, you have to create an amazing template for your website. Simply hit Create a Template. This will take you further into the awesomeness of WPSocialNinja plugin. Let's see what you get once inside. You'll be offered two sections, General and Style. We're gonna discuss General first. In this section, you'll be given the options to change every general aspect of the website. How the website will look like. Let's dig into that. As we're creating a template for our Facebook page, the source is automatically set to Facebook. You can add others if you want. Next up is the template. You have 9 different template options in 4 different layout types. You even get additional options if you choose to go with slider or badge. You have the options to set the number of columns in grid and masonry. It even has the options to set it for different devices such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. You might want to filter out negative reviews or focus on more positive ones. Filter lets you do exactly that and more. You can choose a number of reviews to show on different devices. You can even filter reviews based on products or categories. Let's see what settings has to offer. You're gonna see the show rating option at the beginning. See this list here? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim reviews after certain words, and edit content type. When you want to edit something in the header options are there for you. It lets you play with the header and customize it however you like. You can either display the header or choose to hide it if you want. There are many options that you can customize here. Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo and your legitimate business name. Next up, you have to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list and also your phone number. Those are all the options offered by general sections. Want to see what style has in store for you? Let's go! You become the literal designer of all content once you enable the style option. You can edit how the elements of all these options are gonna look. Let's start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing top of all these elements. Typography lets you customize the way each text will be shown to your viewers. It lets you change the style, weight, etc. You'll find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. You might notice that all the elements are almost the same for every option except for the last few. But don't get deceived. They might look the same, but their functionality is unique. The badges and notifications elements let you manipulate them however you like. If you are wondering what these icons do, they let you switch within different devices so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. And there you have it. Your Facebook page is now connected to your website to bring in the awesome reviews that you receive from happy customers. Do you have amazing reviews on your TripAdvisor business page? WPSocialNinja will help you show off these wonderful reviews on your own WordPress website in a few clicks. Starting from the dashboard, click here. Then paste your business page link on the pop-up menu and hit save. That's it. Your reviews are now connected to your website. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh, before we forget, let's move on to the settings. Once configuration is done, hit Create a Template. This will take you to the customization window, where you will get all your customization options. you can ignore the source as it will be selected automatically. But make sure to select it if you are working with a custom template. Set the layout type and select a template. Change the number of columns for different devices. Although you won't have to deal with it if you go for a slider or badge. And except for slider, you can utilize the pagination to give the template a more unique look. Next comes the filter option. It lets you hide or show reviews based on certain keywords. So if you want, you can tuck away those spammy and low rating reviews. You can choose how many reviews should be shown on each page across different devices. If you have multiple businesses, choose any, multiple, or all of them all together. All your reviews in one place. How convenient is that? Don't want to reveal the ratings? Got it. With the settings, you can show or hide ratings and select rating style. If you don't need any of these items, simply toggle them on or off. Select content type from here. And if you choose to go with the excerpt type, you can trim the words or set the heights of the reviews. Make your header poof by toggling this. While the header is on, fiddle with these options by ticking these boxes. Change the title, review text, or custom reviews text with your own words from here. Make him say whatever you want, just make sure they're relatable, okay? Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo, business name, business type, and business phone number. Remember that this business type is crucial, and the type must be inserted precisely as it has been shown on schema.org. Last up, add your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. Though, WPSocialNinja will automatically gather the rating if you don't include it, so no need to lose your head over it. Now let's see what the style option has to offer. WPSocialNinja is packed with tons of features that you can use to tweak and give your reviews an entirely new look. In the general section, we have the option to keep or skip the contents of the header. And in style, you can change the entire look of the header. Typography, text color, background, you name it, and the customization is there. Customize the way each text will be shown and change the style, weight, etc. in typography. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. You can even customize them based on different devices. Content of the elements are almost the same for all. The badges and pagination elements are the only different ones here. That's it. Your website is ready to roll and show all of your amazing reviews directly onto your website. Finding it difficult to style multiple reviews platforms? Why don't you just style one and see the magic among all your reviews? How? We're here to show you. We have created a template with multiple platforms: Facebook, Yelp, and Airbnb to be specific. See all these wonderful reviews? Great! Now to style it, let's enable the style first. This is where the magic begins. Let's begin with the header, where you can customize the text color, typography, background color of the elements of the header. What about the header box? Don't worry, there's plenty of options for that too. Change the background color and border type from here. Reviewer name and reviewer date has the same options apart from the spacing top. After that, we're gonna change the color and typography of the content. Feel free to explore all the options here. We are only tweaking the options that we want. See the badge option? Remember that the badge customization will only work if you have selected the badge as the layout type from the template section. Let's customize the pagination now. Change the background color and text color. Last but not the least, the review box. Change the background color. Select the border type that suits your desired look. Change the additional settings that come with the border type. Hit save and you're done. Voila! Your reviews have a unique look now. You got different platforms with the same design at the same place. No need to jump around from templates to templates just to get all the reviews. Sometimes you might get reviews from customers who don't have the time or will to give you a review on your site. You'll most likely have to insert it manually. Well, WPSocialNinja can help you with that. To begin with, go to the WPSocialNinja dashboard. Head over to the Reviews tab, hit Add Custom Review. A pop-up window will appear. Now, here you can add the reviewer's name and a picture. Add the URL of their personal website if they have any. After that, give the review a suitable title and add the review in the review text. Add the reviewer's rating and the date of the review. You can even set the category of the review if you want. Once you're done, hit Save Review. As you can see, it will appear in the Reviews tab in the WPSocialNinja dashboard. You can also go back and edit it later if you want. Now, let's add a new template. Go to Templates, click Add New Template and select Reviews Template. Now from Source, select Custom and your reviews are ready to customize. That's not the look you want? Let's customize it for a unique look then. You'll notice that there's two tabs on your right, General and Style. Let's check out the General section first. You're gonna see Source at the beginning. It's selected as Custom as we have already selected it. Now, as for the layout type, choose whichever you want. Select Template according to your layout type, then choose your desired template. Select any layout type except for badge, as these are custom reviews, they don't have any business badge. Grid and Masonry has a pagination option. On the other hand, Slider has its own option named after it. Next up is Filters. Well, it does exactly what it sounds like. Filter your reviews based on various factors like ratings, include or exclude certain reviewers, reviews containing certain words, or filter by category. You'll see settings right after filters. Choose a rating style. From the settings, you can choose to show or hide almost everything in the reviews. Date, reviewer name, reviewer image, you name it. If it's in the reviews, you can hide or display that. You can also select the content type, and once you're done with the settings, select the pagination. But if you go for sliders, then you'll have to configure the slider instead of this. Last but not the least, in the general section is Schema Snippet. You might wonder what this is. It's a powerful SEO tool. Upload business logo and insert name, then comes the most crucial part, selecting business type. You have to follow the rules of schema.org while filling in the business type. Give your business phone number. Feel free to skip the last two settings if you don't need them. Now, it's time to see what style has in store for you. Except header, platform name, and badge, you can customize the text color, typography, and adjust the spacing top of everything. Let's do the same for the title and content. Moving on to the pagination. Change the text and background color. Last but not the least, review box. Change the background color, border type, and border color. Let's save the settings and see how it looks. Perfect! Well, that's the end of it. Looks neat, doesn't it? No need to work hard, work smart, cause we did the hard work for you. Sure, you can fetch reviews from different platforms using WPSocialNinja. But what about those who became your customers through your website? Don't you want their reviews too? We will show you how to do that by integrating Fluent Forms with WPSocialNinja. Let's begin. Go to the Fluent Forms dashboard and click on Integrations. Now scroll down and look for WPSocialNinja and toggle the Enable button. To collect reviews, we need a form, right? Let's get to it. Click on All Forms and create a new form or select if you already have one. We already have an existing form, so let's select it. This form got a name, email, review, and rating fields. If you are using the free version of Fluent Forms, you won't find the ratings field. It only comes with the Pro version. Once the form is ready, click on Settings and Integrations. Then select Marketing and CRM Integrations, which is the very last option on the page. On the next page, click Add New Integrations and select WPSocialNinja integration. Now, we need to set up the WPSocialNinja feed. Don't be nervous seeing so many fields. Only fill up those that you want to show on your WPSocialNinja feed. For example, select ratings as the input options for rating fields. You get the drill, right? You have the options to choose what you want to show in the feed. Select review as the input options for the comment field. You can display images for your review as well if you have collected that. You can even add conditional logic if you want to. You'll find it in the end. Once done with setting up the feed, hit the Create WPSocialNinja feed button. The next video will show you how to create a Fluent Forms review template, so save the form and wait till our next video drops. We hope you have been getting tons of reviews using Fluent Forms, and it's time to start showcasing those on your website. How? Well, it's actually even easier than the integration. Let's get to it. We'll start at the WPSocialNinja dashboard and click on Templates. Hit the Add New Templates button and select Add Review Template. On the next screen, choose Fluent Forms as the template source and all the reviews collected through Fluent Forms will be added to your feed. You'll get two options on your right, General and Style. Let's start with the General. Since we have already selected the source, click on Templates. Here you can customize the reviews in the best possible ways. Multiple options are available to choose from. And you can also choose the layout type and how many columns you want to use. Slider gets its own option named Slider. If you go with Grid or Masonry, you will get Pagination. You probably have tons of good reviews and some bad ones, and you sure don't want your prospect to see the bad ones, right? WPSocialNinja lets you choose the reviews you want to show. You can filter your reviews by ratings, include or exclude something, show or hide reviews containing some exact words, according to business or products, according to category. Last but not least, you can hide reviews that are just ratings. There is another option for filtering the reviews, approving them one by one. Stick around to find out how. Rather than being complex, settings are, to be honest, the easiest part of this video. Almost all the toggle buttons are self-explanatory. You can choose the rating style, content type, and trim excerpt words. Play around with these until your reviews look good enough even to convince you to buy your own product. Toggle equal height if you want all your reviews to appear at the same height, and so on. Header is the next element. You see all this stuff right here? Depending on your taste, you may conceal or reveal the banner, name, number of followers, and each individual element. Toggle each option to know how you like your header. Click on Styles and toggle the Enable button to get started with styling. As promised, we'll show you all the customizing options starting with the headers. Click on it to edit the header elements. From the drop-down, you can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your feeds. Pick a color that speaks on behalf of your brand. No matter what color it is, you'll get that color in the color sections. Once you're happy with the colors, click Typography. Change the size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from this menu right here. You can even customize the review box. You'll also get to change the look of the reviewer name, author position, title, content color, etc. To ensure a great user experience on different devices, switch devices from the top. Fix if anything looks odd. Adjust the positions of the reviews according to devices if needed. Try around with the style options until you're satisfied with how the reviews look. Well, that's a wrap up. If there is a new review, WPSocialNinja will automatically fetch it. But wait, almost forgot. WPSocialNinja lets you approve each review manually. How? Head over to the settings of the WPSocialNinja dashboard. Click on Review Platforms and scroll down to Fluent Forms settings. Toggle the Review Must Be Manually Approved button, hit the Save Settings button, and you're done. That's it. Showing testimonials from credible sources is one of the best ways of increasing your brand's credibility. Now, before you start wondering whether your go-to plugin for social needs, WPSocialNinja, can do that, yes, sure it can, but you'll need to get the pro version. But for now, let's start with adding testimonials. Go to the WPSocialNinja dashboard and select Testimonials. Next, click on Add Testimonials and fill the pop-up with the necessary information. Author name, we'll hope you know what to put inside this box. Author URL, put the link to where the testimonial is from. Author image, upload an image of the person who gave the testimonial. Author position, what should you put here? The position of the testimonial giver as well as the name of the author company. Author website logo. So, why is the logo important? Because it grabs the attention. Insert your website logo and the website URL. Next, that one final push. Give the testimonial title, text, and rating. You can even add the date and testimonial category. And click on the Save Testimonial button. All of your testimonials will appear on the page right after you click the Save button. To add more testimonials, click on the Add Testimonial button. Now that you have saved your testimonials, it's time to show them off. To do that, let's add new template. And from there, select Add Testimonials. Once done, it'll take you to the template options. Change the layout type and select the number of columns. Slider will give you an additional option named after it. And Grid and Masonry has a pagination option. In Settings, you can toggle each and every option to enable or disable them. Change the rating style or excerpt words right here in the settings. Our template is done, but it can look a lot better. Let's style it from the Style section. First, enable it. Here, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing top of reviewer name, author position, review date, title, and content. Change the background color, and border type of review box from here. You can even change the padding. Wondering what this icon does? You can check how your template will look on different devices. Fix them if you find any problem while wandering around. Let's see how these testimonials will show on the website. There they are. Everything's looking great. Notification pop-up. A game-changing feature of WPSocialNinja works like a magic box on your website. With your best reviews and ratings, you can showcase your notification pop-up. To do that, go to the WPSocialNinja dashboard, click on the notification pop-ups. On the next screen, let's select the Add New Pop-up button. It will take you to the pop-up editor panel. Give the notification pop-up template a name by clicking on the Edit button next to the notification pop-ups on top. Now, on the right, you'll get two options, General and Style. Let's begin with the General settings. First things first, select the source of the reviews you want to show in notification pop-ups. You can select one or go with multiple sources if you want. The next thing you need to set up is the template. Try out the different templates until you find the one you like the most. Once you're done, click Notification. From the drop-down menu, click on Custom Notification Title to give the reviews a catchy title. Notification Position to adjust how notifications need to be shown. Include pages to display notification to configure the pages where you want the notification to pop up. You can select everywhere or a few selected pages. And click on Exclude Pages to hide notification to exclude a few selected pages. You can select a few posts for which you want to display pop-up notifications from the next option. The next two toggle buttons let you hide notifications on desktop or mobile. Toggle the Display Close button if you want to provide a close button with your notifications. Toggle Date and Read All Reviews buttons if you want to provide those with your notifications. Up next, you can set up time frame for the initial delay, delay between, and display for options. We bet you don't want to show all the reviews through pop-up notifications, perhaps only the best ones, and you can do that using the filter option. Choose how many reviews you want to show, then you have the option to filter reviews according to ratings. You'll also get a few more advanced filtering options like the order of displaying reviews, including or excluding specific reviews, showing or hiding reviews containing specific words, filtering by business or product, filtering by category. Once you're done with filtering the reviews you want to show, click on Settings. Here you can see a few toggle buttons, and most of these are self-explanatory. For example, you want to display the reviewer's name, toggle the button to the right, and if you don't, toggle to the left. The same goes for the other buttons as well. Next, you can choose how the review contents should be displayed. Full content in the scroll bar and full content are the options you'll get. If you choose an excerpt, you can set the word limit too. Last but not least, toggle the Equal Height button to display all the reviews at the same height. If a user expands your reviews and doesn't understand where it's from and what's it about, what's the point? And to ensure better understanding for your users, you can use headers. Click on Headers and toggle the Display Header button. Then check the boxes you want to show in your header. Next, you can customize the title, number of reviews, and write review text. And that's how you can configure a notification pop-up to show reviews. Go, start customizing your pop-up notifications already. While some notification pop-ups annoy people to death, some are appealing enough to convert leads into customers. But guess how you can make those pop-up notifications more appealing? In this video, we will show you how to do that using WPSocialNinja's styling feature. To start styling, select Styles and toggle the Enable button. We'll show you every customization option as promised, starting with headers. Click on Header to edit the header elements. You can customize the text color and typography of nearly any area of your feeds using the drop-down menu. Choose a color representing your brand, and we're sure you will find it in the color sections. Click Typography once you're satisfied with the color theme. Let's explore how swiftly you can style your notification pop-up template. For a highly customized button, change the text color border type and padding. You will get to change the look of the reviewer name, author position, title, and content. Change the size, spacing, and everything else from this menu until it looks perfect. Even the buttons and boxes for pagination, badge, and notification can be geared. Play around with the different style options until you are satisfied with how the reviews look. Now that you know how to make your notification pop-ups look amazing, start enjoying the extra revenue your beautifully displayed reviews bring you. When people can easily connect with you, your sales are bound to get boosted automatically. And what's a better way of connecting than Messenger? With WPSocialNinja, you can integrate the chat system in a few clicks. Let's show you how. Simply head over to Chat Widgets from WPSocialNinja dashboard. Hit Add New Widget. You will be forwarded to the configuration page of your chat widget. To configure it into your desired platform, hit Add Channel. You get 16 different platforms to choose from. Pick any. You can add multiple platforms if you want. We will select Messenger. By following the format, you will have to insert your Facebook ID or username or link and hit Save. Your chat is now connected to your website. Now it's time to give your chat widget a dashing look. From here, you will see Template. Here, you can select the layout type. You can either go with the chat box or only icons. If you choose to go with chat box, you will find the option to select from 4 different templates and 2 additional options, chat header and welcome message. Select whichever you want, or you can choose to show only icons. Chat header lets you customize profile or page name, captions, and profile picture. Once header is done, you can customize the welcome message. This is a message to greet your visitors. Here you can toggle whether the channel button will be shown or not. You also have the option to customize the channel button texts. Here you can customize the chat bubble button. Edit the bubble text however you like. You can only use the bubble icon if you have more than one channel. In here, you can change the position of the chat bubble. Select the pages where you want to show the chat bubble or exclude it from the pages you don't want it to appear, or display it by the type of post in a page. You also have the options to hide the chat bubble on either desktop or mobile or both. You can set the pop-up to pop up automatically with a time delay. Change chat settings so that it opens in a pop-up window. You can show the online status if you want. From here, select the days you will be online and customize messages for when you are offline. You even have the option to set the time schedule of when you will be online. Style option lets you play with the colors of the elements of your chat bubble. Change header, background, or the chat bubble color, etc. If you want to set up multiple channels, you can set the priority based on pages. And that's it. Your chat widget is created and ready to roll. WhatsApp is a popular platform for communication. Keeping that in mind, WPSocialNinja brings you chat integration for your website with WhatsApp. Let's see how easily you can integrate WhatsApp chat into your website. Simply head over to Chat Widgets from WPSocialNinja dashboard. Hit Add New Widget. You will be forwarded to the configuration page of your chat widget. To configure it into your desired platform, hit Add Channel and select the one from 16 different platforms that suits your needs. We'll select WhatsApp. Insert your WhatsApp number here. Voila! Your chat is now connected to your website. Now let's give your chat widget a wonderful look. First off, you will see Template. Here, you can select the layout type. You can either go with the chat box or only icons. If you choose to go with chat box, you will find the option to select from different templates. And you will also get two additional options: chat header and welcome message. Chat header lets you customize profile or page name, captions, and profile picture. Once header is done, you can customize the welcome message. This is a message to greet your visitors. Here, you can toggle whether the channel button will be shown or not. You also have the option to customize the channel button texts. Here, you can customize the chat bubble button, edit the bubble text however you like it. You can only use the bubble icon if you have more than one channel. Here, you can change the position of the chat bubble. Select the pages where you want to show the chat bubble, or the pages where you don't want to show them. You can even display it by the type of post in a page. Here, you get the options to hide the chat bubble on desktop or mobile or both. You can set the pop-up to show automatically with a time delay. Chat can be set to be opened in a pop-up window. You can show the online status if you want. Select the days you will be online and customize messages for when you are offline. You even have the option to set the time schedule of when you will be online. Style option lets you play with the colors of the elements of your chat bubble. Change header, background, or the chat bubble color, etc. If you want to set up multiple channels, you can set the priority based on pages. And that's it. Your chat widget is created and ready to roll. Want your website visitors to connect with you the minute they have a problem? Best way to do that is to add a chat box. And with WPSocialNinja, you can even integrate multiple chat systems in your website. Let's show you how easily you can do it. Simply head over to Chat Widgets from WPSocialNinja dashboard. Hit Add New Widget. You will be forwarded to the configuration page of your chat widget. To configure it into your desired platform, hit Add Channel and select the one from 16 different platforms that suits your needs. You can add multiple platforms if you want. Let's first add WhatsApp. Insert your WhatsApp number here. Then hit Add Channel again to add your next channel. Let's select Messenger this time. Follow this format to insert your Facebook ID or username or link and hit Save. Voila! Both your chat is now connected to your website. Now it's time to give your widget a unique look. First off, you will see Template. Here, you can select the layout type. You can either go with the chat box or only icons. If you choose to go with chat box, you will find the option to select from different templates. And you will also get two additional options: chat header and welcome message. Chat header lets you customize profile or page name, captions, and profile picture. Once header is done, you can customize the welcome message. This is a message to greet your visitors. Here, you can toggle whether the channel button will be shown or not. You also have the option to customize the channel button texts. Here, you can customize the chat bubble button, edit the bubble text however you like it. You can only use the bubble icon if you have more than one channel. Here, you can change the position of the chat bubble. Select the pages where you want to show the chat bubble, or the pages where you don't want to show them. You can even display it by the type of post in a page. Here, you get the options to hide the chat bubble on desktop or mobile or both. You can set the pop-up to show automatically with a time delay. Chat can be set to be opened in a pop-up window. You can show the online status if you want. Select the days you will be online and customize messages for when you are offline. You even have the option to set the time schedule of when you will be online. Style option lets you play with the colors of the elements of your chat bubble. Change header, background, or the chat bubble color, etc. If you want to set up multiple channels, you can set the priority based on pages. And that's it. Your chat widget is created and ready to roll. Global Settings, where you will find all the settings for WPSocialNinja. Don't worry, just because it has the word global in it doesn't mean it's complicated. And even if you find anything difficult to understand, we are here to walk you through the entire thing. Let's hop in. There will be 4 different sections in Feeds platform in the Settings tab: Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You can clear the feeds cache whenever you want. The Twitter option comes with a bonus feature though. You obtain the ability to clear Twitter cards along with the cache. Moreover, you can set the timer for checking and fetching new feeds automatically. The minimum delay is 1 hour and the maximum is 1 month. Choose whichever seems suitable to your needs. We have designed it to be hassle-free, easy, and effective, so that you don't have to work those extra hours and spend more productive time instead. All of the reviews platforms will be shown here. You have the ability to set the auto-sync option at your will. You might want to change the delay for checking new reviews. It ranges from 1 hour to 1 year. Or skip it if you are okay with the default value, so that your new reviews will be at your disposal whenever you need them to show to your website visitors. This helps you wow your visitors as soon as they land on your website. The next thing in the settings is the brand new feature of WPSocialNinja. This great feature allows you to take your followers directly to your website. Create and use hashtag in any post to do that. Insert custom URL. Change the CTA button text, or even delete the entire thing, all from the same place. You might wonder what we kept for you in the other section. Well, we kept the best for the last. Translation. We made this feature so that you can translate the whole thing into a language of your choice. Or, if you don't want to translate it, you can just add custom text in each section here so that when the visitors visit your website, only one word comes to their mind. Wow! Oh, we almost forgot. You can find the license settings here. This option lets you add your license key and activate your license when you decide to buy it. We covered all there is in the settings section in this video. If you are using the WPSocialNinja free version, then you might not have the styling feature that comes with the pro version. But that shouldn't stop you from designing your desired page now, should it? We don't think so. Let's see what you have to do. In order to use these page builders to style your feeds or reviews, you must have to have WPSocialNinja plugin installed in your WordPress. The rest are almost the same for all those builders. No need to worry though, we will be here to walk you through them all. To implement the styling feature with Elementor, you must have it installed in your WordPress. Next up, head over to Pages and hit Add New to create a new page. Once on the new page, hit Edit with Elementor here. Then, go through the options from the left sidebar. At the bottom, you'll see an option named WPSocialNinja. Here you can find all the feeds or reviews options. First option is for Social Ninja reviews. Just drag and drop it in the designated place here. Select the template for the platform that you want. Head over to the style section if you are done choosing the template. Here, you can style every aspect of the reviews. Header, reviewer name, title, you name it. Basically, you can style everything. Some even have the alignment settings for different devices such as tablet, phone, or desktop. In the advanced section, there are some additional options for styling, such as motion effects, transform, custom CSS, etc. All the other options of feed settings are pretty much the same except for some unique features of their own. And the advanced field is the same for every option out there. You have the option to style with Beaver Page Builder also. We're gonna take a new page and search for Beaver Builder here. Select it and it will show you to convert to Beaver Builder. Hit it and it will take you to Beaver Page Builder. Click the plus icon here and you will see WPSocialNinja option without any additional work. Simply drag and drop whichever you wanna add from here. Just like Elementor, if you select social reviews, you will see multiple templates of different platforms in the general section. The style options are somewhat same as Elementor. The advanced option consists of 5 elements: spacing, visibility, animation, HTML element, and the option to import or export all these settings. The options for feed are pretty much the same. and the rest is just there so that you can style every component of feeds. You might find that styling with Oxygen is a bit different than others, because it requires you to save the page that you want to edit before you can use Oxygen. Once the page has been saved, simply hit Edit with Oxygen. Your eyes will be dazzled by an awesome animation of Oxygen Builder. Next up, go to the WPSocialNinja drop-down option from here. Select the one that you want. Simply clicking that field will take you to its customization. Just like all the other builders, you will be presented with templates here first. Then, there will be multiple elements that you can style. And you will get multiple options in the advanced section to take your styling to the next level. And that's not even the best part. It's the option that lets you customize your reviews or feeds based on different devices such as desktop, mobile, tablets, or laptops. You can even style it based on the orientation of your mobile, whether it's horizontal or vertical. Once you create your page, simply hit save and that's it. Your page is now ready to show all your wonderful reviews or your feeds on your website. Totally hassle-free.